So, one of the things I do when looking to fix the search traffic of any site is first take a little look around and just see how the site is, because first impressions count. Now, in this case, we can see that, oh, well, look at that big pop-up that's just come up. A little bit later in the video, I'm going to be talking about why this is an issue. But as we can see, it's scrollable pop-up. We have to scroll up and down in order to deal with it, but let's close that out of the way for now. Now, right now, for me, this page is very cluttered. There's no clear call to action. The pop-up down in this bottom left corner is not done right. We're displaying like a who is information on the home page. I understand that's to prove the authenticity of the age of the business, but you know, it's pretty obvious to me that this is a tech dude who's done this rather than a marketer, right? But in general, for me, the design is quite cluttered, especially above the fold. There's no clear call to action. And if we move through the site and take a look at things, you can see, look, this pop-up is on every page I'm about to show. It isn't wrapping round properly, and again, at the end here, there's no clear call to action. We're not using any internal linking here or anything like that, so there's quite a lot of weakness in the content. Pricing page, again, annoying pop-up. For me, the pricing page should just be clear, simple pricing, and allow people to convert, whether that's submit an inquiry or buy a product or whatever that may be. Now, on this site, we're essentially looking for people to submit inquiries. Despite the fact that there's a cart, there's no products to buy, so that's another kind of misleading area of the site that should be removed. But take a look at this pricing page, and as I scroll down it, it's very hard for you to really gauge how much does it cost and what do I get for my money. We've got lots of kind of pop-up text and things. I understand here we're talking about different systems and the prices, but the format in here is kind of all over the place. It's difficult to read, it's difficult to digest, and this will be hurting conversion. So overall, one of the big problems we have is it doesn't leave a great first impression. It doesn't communicate clearly the benefits of the business, the costs. There's no clear call to action.